If you want to enable or disable camera watermark on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then in that case we need to go to the camera. Then we're gonna tap on this arrow that we have at the top of the screen, or you can swipe down on the camera preview, and there is a chance that you will find the watermark option in here in these additional options, so you can immediately turn it on or off just like that, and maybe you can actually adjust it a little bit. And you can also go to settings, and in here you can find the watermark option as well, and here we have the full choice of different watermarks that we can use, so just go ahead and choose whichever you like the most. And after selecting one of these presets, you can actually tap again in order to adjust the selected preset. So you can, for example, change where the watermark should be placed. You can add your own image. We can make the text bigger or smaller. We can also type a custom text over here. We can also include the time and the phone model as well. And that is pretty much it. Of course, these options may vary depending on the different presets. For example, in here we can only find these two options actually. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.